Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can hide your Instagram post from specific followers. Alright guys, to hide your Instagram post from specific followers, you have to set up close friend on your Instagram. So you can go to your Instagram profile, then you can click on this three lines button on the top right corner of your screen. Then simply click on the close friends option, this one, and you can select the close friend, or you can select the account that you want to share your Instagram post to, and make sure that you do not select the account you want to hide your post from. And for example, I'm going to select this account or this follower. Okay, and after we're done selecting the followers, we can click on done right here. And after that, we can create an Instagram post. We can tap on this plus button and we can select a photo or video that we want to upload as Instagram post. And for example, I'm going to upload this photo, so we can just tap on the photo, then wait for a minute. Alright, and we can click on next. Then you can also put filters or music to your Instagram post, but I'm gonna skip this step, so we can click on next. Alright, and here you can select your audience of your post. You can tap on the audience, and if you want to hide your post from specific followers, you can click on close friends. So this post will be shared to your close friends only. So the followers you do not add to the close friends list won't be able to see your Instagram post. Then you can click on done. Okay, and to share this post, you can tap on share, and the post will be shared to your Instagram. Alright guys, and that's how we can hide Instagram posts from specific followers. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.